Your question is how many parts, articles, and schedules was there in the original Indian Constitution? Your options are A. 22 parts, 395 articles, and 8 schedules. B. 24 parts, 450 articles, and 12 schedules. C. 22 parts, 390 articles, and 8 schedules. Or D. 24 parts, 425 articles, and 12 schedules. Right answer is A. 22 parts, 395 articles, and 8 schedules. Your question is Indian Constitution consists of. Your options are A. 300 articles, B. 350 articles, C. more than 400 articles, or D. 500 articles. Right answer is C. more than 400 articles. Your question is there were originally how many articles in the Constitution of India? Your options are A. 420, B. 380, C. 395, or D. 270. Right answer is C. 395. Your question is the Indian Constitution comprises of. Your options are A. 395 articles, 22 parts, and 12 schedules. B. 371 articles, 21 parts, and 11 schedules. C. 372 articles, 20 parts, and 7 schedules. Or D. 381 articles, 23 parts, and 8 schedules. Right answer is A. 395 articles, 22 parts, and 12 schedules. Your question is how many states and union territories were established by the 1956 State Reconstructing Act? Your options are A. 14 states, 6 union territories, B. 18 states, 9 union territories, C. 22 states, 8 union territories, or D. 21 states, 7 union territories. Right answer is A. 14 states, 6 union territories. Your question is total number of schedules in the Constitution is. Your options are A. 12, B. 16, C. 8, or D. 10. Right answer is A. 12. Your question is Indian Constitution has. Your options are A. 9 schedules, B. 12 schedules, C. 10 schedules, or D. 11 schedules. Right answer is B. 12 schedules. Your question is consider the following statements. First, the Constitution of India has 20 parts. Second, there are 390 articles in the Constitution of India in all. Third, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th schedules were added to the Constitution of India by the Constitution Amendment Acts. Which of the statements given below is or are correct? Your options are A. 1 and 2, B. 2 only, C. 3 only, or D. 1, 2, and 3. Right answer is C. 3 only. 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th schedules were added to the Constitution of India by the Constitution Amendment Acts. Your question is the Indian Constitution is divided into. Your options are A. 16 parts, B. 22 parts, C. 24 parts, or D. 25 parts. The answer is B. 22 parts. Your question is which part of Constitution contains provisions relating to citizenship? Your options are A. Part 1, B. Part 3, C. Part 2, or D. Part 4. The answer is C. Part 2. Your question is which one of the following is not matched correctly? Your options are A. Citizenship Part 2 of Constitution, B. Fundamental Rights Part 3 of Constitution, C. Fundamental Duties Part 6A of Constitution, or D. State Part 6 of Constitution. The answer is C. Fundamental Duties Part 6A of Constitution. Your question is which one among the following is not correctly matched? Provision part of the Constitution. A. Citizenship Part 2, B. The Union Territories Part 7, C. The Municipalities Part 9A, or D. Elections Part 15. Right answer is B. The Union Territories, Part 7. Your question is, which part of our constitution envisages a three-tier system of panchayats? Your options are A. Part 9, B. Part 10, C. Part 11, or D. Part 12. Right answer is A. Part 9. Your question is, which part and chapter of the Indian Constitution deal with the legislative relation between the Union and the states? Your options are A. Part 11 and Chapter 1, B. Part 11 and Chapter 2, C. Part 12 and Chapter 1, or D. Part 12 and Chapter 2. Right answer is A. Part 11 and Chapter 1. Your question is, which one of the following schedules of the Indian Constitution lists the names of states and specifies their territories? Your options are A. First, B. Second, C. Third, or D. Fourth. Answer is A. First. Your question is, which of the following are enshrined in the third schedule of the Indian Constitution? First, form of oath of office for a minister for the Union. Second, form of oath to be made by the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Third, form of oath of office for the President of India. Fourth, form of oath to be made by a member of Parliament. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Code A 123, B 234, C 124, or D 1234. Right answer is C 124. Form of oath of office for a minister for the Union. Form of oath to be made by the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Form of oath to be made by a member of Parliament. Your question is, fourth schedule of the Constitution of India deals with. Your options are A. Allocation of seats for the Council of States, B. Political defection, C. Panchayat system, or D. Languages. Right answer is A. Allocation of seats for the Council of States. The question is, if a new state of the Indian Union is to be created, which one of the following schedules of the Constitution must be amended? Your options are A. First, B. Second, C. Third, or D. Fourth. Answer is A. First. Your question is, under which schedule of the Constitution of India can be transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining to be declared null and void? Your options are A. Third schedule, B. Fifth schedule, C. Ninth schedule, or D. 12th schedule. Answer is B. Fifth schedule. Your question is, which of the following is not correctly matched? Your options are A. Public health and sanitation, state list, B. Census, union list, C. Allocation of seats in the Council of States, second schedule, or D. Anti-defection, 10th schedule. Answer is C. Allocation of seats in the Council of States, second schedule.